Hyderabad, the city of pearls, is a beautiful medley of old town charm and new age dynamics. Bandlaguda Jagir, situated at a proximity to the mainstream areas, has superior connectivity via the outer ring road. Located in a pollution-free environment, it is well connected to West Hyderabad. Providing a substantial benefit to the people of West Hyderabad, it is a home to many IT and ITES business parks, world-class infrastructure, built-in hospital, colleges, schools, shopping malls and other recreational establishments. Bandlaguda Jagir is within 30 minutes drive time from Hyderabad's renowned IT hubs, High-Tech City, Gachibowli and Financial District. Bandlaguda Jagir directly links to the outer ring road, connecting it to other significant localities like Narsingi and Manikonda with just a 20 minutes drive time and the Financial District in 20 minutes. Nanakramguda and Khajaguda, the commercial and residential hubs, are within 20 minutes drive time. Kokapet, known for big tech companies, can be reached in less than 15 minutes. Several tech, IT and ITES hubs are within 20 to 30 minutes drive time from the project. The key arterial roads from ORR also leads to hot locations like Gandhipet, Shankarpalli, Mokila, Kollur, Mehdipatnam and Shaikpet. To reduce the traffic congestion, 2 elevated corridors and elevated flyovers are coming up in this area that will enhance the connectivity further. Appa Junction is within a 5 minutes drive time from Bandlaguda Jagir and it connects to promising localities like Chevalla, Moinabad, Himayat Sagar and Rajendra Nagar along the ORR. Bandlaguda Jagir enjoys excellent connectivity to airport with a 20 minutes drive time along the ORR. Bandlaguda Jagir has acquired a lot of traction in recent days for its infrastructural development, which created an enormous boom in the region's real estate, being in close proximity to West Hyderabad and connected to the top localities in the region. Many developers are eyeing and leveraging the infra and connectivity of this location, making constant endeavors to bring in more quality residential projects and match up the expectations of the future inhabitants. It assures an upward spiral in economic growth with a robust infrastructure, ample manpower, and a business-friendly ecosystem. This region is all set to become a great investment hotspot. In the supremely dynamic and competitive sphere of property development, Vaishnavi Infracon has consistently been a trailblazer, setting the trends for others to follow with over 45 commercial and residential projects in Hyderabad. Vaishnavi Infracon has launched a new residential gated community leveraging all the benefits associated with Bandlaguda Jagir. Spread over 4.10 acres, Vaishnavi Infracon presents a lifestyle for the extraordinary. Project Vaishnavi Houdini is designed and built for the present home buyers looking towards modern living, modern design and superior quality. Nestled in the lap of nature at Bandlaguda Jagir, Houdini portrays the perfect balance of technology and sustainability. It is well equipped with state-of-the-art indoor and outdoor sports facilities. It also provides you with an indoor theatre, open barbecue, pet park, yoga deck, gym, jogging mud track, urban farming, open garden workstations. Improving its carbon footprint, the area is optimized with solar power panels. A constant supply of treated water is available along with its lift services, large parking spaces and power backups. Some of the top-ranked educational institutions, medical facilities, shopping malls, entertainment and hospitality, commercial complexes including supermarkets, schools, restaurants, fitness centers, banks and employment hubs are very close to the location. Life is about being able to explore limitless possibilities, and at Houdini, we give you a plethora of amenities to shape your life in a magical way. We have always wanted to create desirable homes for tomorrow. Houdini welcomes you to a magical way of life.